The 2024 Chevy Trax uses an oil life monitoring system that estimates oil longevity based on driving conditions, not just mileage. After an oil change, resetting this system to 100% is crucial for accurate monitoring. Here's how to access it. First, ensure your Trax is parked safely. Turn the ignition to the on-run position without starting the engine. On the capacitive touchscreen infotainment display, press the Home button. Navigate to Settings, the gear icon, then select Vehicle, and finally, Oil Life. You're now in the Oil Life Reset menu. This adaptive system learns from your driving habits, so an accurate reset is essential for it to function correctly. Remember to use manufacturer-recommended oil, like 020 synthetic, for optimal performance. Once you've accessed the Oil Life menu, select Reset Oil Life. The system will prompt you to confirm your choice. Select Yes or Reset. For safety, a second confirmation might be required. After confirming, exit the menu, and the Oil Life should display 100%. If it doesn't reset, try restarting the vehicle. To verify the reset, check the Oil Life percentage again after the restart. If issues persist, consult a certified GM technician or dealership. Proper resets are essential to prevent false low oil warnings and potential engine issues. Staying updated with GM's firmware updates via OnStar or dealership visits can also improve reset accuracy, especially when using synthetic oils or encountering extreme driving conditions. Consider using the My Chevrolet app for remote diagnostics and potential reset confirmations in the future, aligning with the trend toward digital maintenance tools.